Step-by-step guide to adding a professional footer to your invoices in 8skice accounting software. 1. Accessing the settings menu. Begin by logging into your 8skice accounting software. Once logged in, navigate to the bottom left corner of the interface. You'll see a settings button. Click on it to open the settings menu. 2. Navigating to the footer settings. Within the settings menu, you'll find a list of options that allow you to customize different aspects of your software. Look for the option labeled Footers. This option allows you to create and manage footers that will appear on your invoices and other documents. Click on Footers to proceed. 3. Creating a new footer. Once you're in the Footers section, you'll see a list of any existing footers you may have already created. To add a new footer, click on the New Footer button. A form will appear where you can input the details of your footer. In the provided text field, write the following code. The code details your bank account name, bank account number, branch, bank name. You can include any other relevant details, such as SWIFT code, etc. This code adds a clear and professional footer to your invoices that includes your payment details, bank information, and contact details. 4. Giving your footer a title. Before saving, you need to assign a name to this footer so you can easily identify it later. In the footer title field, type a name like Invoice Footer. This will help you quickly recognize it when applying footers to your documents. 5. Reviewing and saving your footer. After entering all the necessary information, take a moment to carefully review the footer content. Make sure that all the details are accurate, including your bank account number and contact information. If everything looks good, click the Create button to save your new footer. 6. Testing your footer on a new invoice. To verify that your footer appears correctly on invoices, return to the main dashboard and locate the Sales Invoice option on the left-hand side of the interface. Click on Sales Invoice to open the Invoice Management section. Next, click on the New Invoice tab to create a fresh invoice. As you fill out the invoice details, scroll down until you find the Footers checkbox. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, where you should see the invoice footer, or whatever title you gave it, you just created. Select this footer to apply it to the invoice. After selecting your footer, continue scrolling down and click the Create button to save the invoice. 7. Reviewing the final invoice. Once the invoice is saved, you can preview it to ensure the footer is displayed as expected. The footer should appear at the bottom of the invoice, containing your bank details and contact information, making your invoice look polished and professional. By following these steps, you'll be able to add a professional footer to your invoices in 8skice accounting software. This not only ensures that your payment details are clearly communicated, but also enhances the overall professionalism of your financial documents. If you need any assistance with writing the code for your footer, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for taking the time to implement these improvements.